Estúpido.
Yeah, that's what I was. That's why I was recording. That's why I was.
Ay, mira, yo lo ensucié.
I'm like, damn, she don't feel it. Woo, fresh like Timberland wear, yeah. Don't fuck this up, cause you're gonna be, woo, you're gonna be in that line with 2 children. She said she was gonna front and tell everybody that she was on her way to DR. I'm like, it's LaGuardia. But I remember one time I had this flight, I was contracted, I had a flight that was supposed to go to North Carolina to DR. I was just searching. And it had me like landing in LaGuardia, and then you had to go to JFK in like an hour. So I was like, what? So I was like, man, let me hit my cousin up, because I just didn't know. And she was like, well, you know, you kind of young, you can make it. Girl, you don't know nothing. Long Island. Girl, you don't know nothing. I don't know. Is it economical for time? Can you get that time back? Spend? Never be economical. I learned my lesson one time. I flew to Alabama, and to save $75, niggas waited. It was 2 hours late, you know, for $75. Man, nah, I just playing. She got it. Yo, damn. Who was Wendy? That's nobody.
No.
Oh, okay.
The only one the
yeah, because that's why I said I like what, you know, but yeah. So she got clear. She's clear. I'm gonna need you to. I'm gonna need that $99 soon. For that. Yeah.
Y ahora está tú sin mí. ¿Y qué hago con mi amor? El que era para ti. La ilusión de que un día tú serás solamente para mí. Oh, para mí.
Yeah. I remember I heard the joint in the barber shop one time. The ladies was going crazy for the song. I said, oh, okay. I need to learn this. You know what I'm saying? If I need to learn nothing now. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. So, we out here meanwhile back in Queens, the realness, the foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location than to go to the Nike store. But you know me, I don't never get no, you know. But yeah, we're gonna hit up the Nike store. Go on the lights if you don't mind.
Just like that. All you have to do is push a button on your phone.
See what they got out here, you know. We just came from the airport, the Clearport. No, we just came from the airport. My rib had to get her her clear on. You know what I'm saying? She's now clear. To yeah, where we at? All right, boom. Nike. So where's the show? To open up the door. I ain't never been here in my life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. I don't take advantage of nothing. But yeah. We're gonna see what they got up in here.
Ricky! Yeah. You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy your way out? This what happens in America, the brave. They gon' turn you to a slave if you ain't hustling your way out. Life change if you ever gon' remain. Gotta hustle to maintain and get your name out. Before niggas put your flame out. I swear I gotta find a way out. Look, I was trapping, break it down in every fraction. It was better than adapting, 40 hours was subtracting. They don't tell you about deductions, they don't tell you about the taxes. But you going in for overtime to try to make it happen. I would turn that to a fortune, no enforcement or distractions. Had an address for the package and a spot to get it cracking. No Yale, but a nigga smart as hell, that's a caption. Cause I seen how close the niggas got to 12 sharing Jackson. I start questioning their actions, there's a difference when you dap them. This one nigga had the camera on his phone when I snatched it. In that moment, is the money worth the freedom that you want? But when you the head of household, do you need it or you don't? Yeah, I got them bitches sold, greatest story never told. If I kept it on my chest for any longer, would've froze. Somebody had to be watching, cause I prayed and made it home. Made it motherfucking paycheck about to get me where I'm going. You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy a way out? This what happens in America, the brave. They gon' turn you to a slave if you ain't hustling your way out. Life change if you ever gon' remain. Gotta hustle to maintain and get your name out. Before niggas put your flame out. It be the fucking police, I swear man. I gotta find a way out. Can we please have a moment of silence? For those we lost, the police violence. R.I.P. George Floyd would've helped you on the Lord. They be so busy recording, they don't realize they ignore. It's my First Amendment right to tell you fuck you and your badge. If I tell you I can't breathe, you shouldn't wait until I gasp. I thought slavery was the past, now you facing niggas' wrath. I won't hesitate to put a fucking racist in the bag. You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy your way out? Cause what happens in America, the brave, they gon' turn you to a slave if you ain't hustling your way out. Life change if you ever gon' remain. Gotta hustle to maintain and get your name out. Before niggas put your flame out.
Alright, up out of there. Now we in Hollis, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they didn't really have, unless you're into like sporty and like running and all that type of shit, they didn't really have much. I was looking at those orange Uptowns though, but they wanted like, what they want? They wanted like 110. I was like, hell nah. If it would have said like 59, I'd have been cool with it, but I'm not paying that. Yeah, so I ain't well, obviously I ain't cop. I never get the good stores, but they had some Zooms up in there. What else I see? Seen the Terminators, you know, joints that's like alright, but if they was at like, well, I mean, they were price cool, but they did have those Air Trainers at 49, I believe, 49 to 59. Those are straight, but just not for me. That was more on a female size. But anyway, man, about to step up in Datz Deli. I've been waiting to go here for a minute, man. About to get some good chopped cheese. I'm on my bed eating this.
Over the ocean and over the sea, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, play this one for me. Shoodly wop poof, boodly diddly whoa, whoa. See, I'm not into cameras, they tell me to camp. So she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son, here I come. Whoa, whoa.
Alright, so she got the oxtail with the cocoa bread and beef patty and the macaroni cheese, you know what I'm saying? I got the jerk chicken myself, because you know me, I want that spice. Let's see.
Not ever.
Queen's got it.
It's slowly.
Queen's got it. I couldn't live right there. Boy, I'd be fat. What if you live at their house? That's the problem? The deli?
Yes.
Man. Datz Deli. Yo, you definitely gotta try it. Let's see what's up with this. What? Damn. Alright, chill. Yes, sir. Yeah. Wow. Nike may have disappointed, but Datz didn't. Man, oh man. Bruh.
Ay, pero este está picante. You should, man. Yes. You should my.
How would I do that? Crossing over Throgs Neck Bridge, but let me take it off of cruise control. But yo, so how you like your?
It's delicious.
It's delicious. Did you wash your hands?
Of course.
When?
Con sanitizer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be playing that shit.
Everybody send me in the email the wavy. I like.
Jump in your DM and send it. But no, so yeah, nah, that joint was all straight. I had the beef patty, well, the cocoa bread, the beef patty. Yeah.
Esto, what is the island in the center? Oh no.
Island?
Island.
You can see that from you can see that from Orchard Beach. So anyway, yeah, I had the cocoa bread, the beef patty, the stuffer was the mac and cheese, and the protein was the jerk chicken. Popping. It wasn't too spicy. It wasn't too spicy for me. Now, she was complaining about hers, but it wasn't too spicy for me. It wasn't really spicy at all, but great flavor. I think next time I will go for the oxtail just cause. But yo, mac and cheese was mac and cheesing, surprisingly, cause you know what I'm saying, those be hit and miss sometimes. Beef patty was great. It wasn't like no overcooked or too hard, pause if you have to. But yeah, just everything was just delicious, man. Everything. I killed that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the ginger beer. Cop 2 other joints. Some candy for Lil Wave, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's it. Now we back to the Bronx. But shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. Everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. I got shout out to Wave Mob, you already. What's coming up next? I don't know. I ain't gonna front. Oh, I still do want the Jordan 3s though. Definitely. And I don't know. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter beat.
Spreading it out down the slide. Oh no! Oh!
But that Snups.
And if you want something to happen to you on a...
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.